mouthpiece in my mouth, and then these will be above water as I'm checking out the view. Also, another fun feature, I love how soft these are. They didn't grip and rip my hair, which I've had happen before. And we have an attachment for an underwater camera that we can just attach here. And now as you're snorkeling, you can record the reef or fish or dolphin, maybe some sea turtles. So I think this is great for anyone who loves to swim, who loves to snorkel, who loves to be in the water. It would also make a great gift for anyone as well. So definitely recommend this product. I think it's